To turn on exercise mode manually at any time on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, there are some ways that you can do. As the example, we will do so from the setting menu and from the quick panel. First, from the setting menu, to do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap exercise and then tap turn on button. Second, from the quick panel, to do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Find mode button and then tap it. Now select exercise. As a note, when you enable exercise mode manually, this mode will stay on until you turn it off. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.